I'm here with Akeem. Akeem get ready for work. I have work tomorrow though. So we're just chilling and stuff. He's rushing, always rushing for work. Like I don't prepare time or whatever.
Hello people. So Petagaye come on me yard. Bum rush me.
Me bum rush you?
As you can see, I'm here getting ready for work.
But me bum rush. I'm gonna do a thing, boy.
If you can't find a man with an iron, don't take him up.
Iron now? What you take him for what? Iron for bed.
Of course.
Remember them here? And the iron boy do it in a bed.
Of course.
I came here with a suit up in there and black pants and such. I came, I just done make him sandwich. I make sandwich and cheese and
What
milk.
could you cook?
That's why I have me fam. I can help you. I can help you. Everybody know that I can cook already. So. Oh, he's the one what's conducting the hike for the person. Who asked me? Somebody asked me, you know. I never remember to tell you. But yeah, somebody asked me. Tell them a few things in regards to the hike, if they're interested.
So basically, we keep a hike 3 times a year.
I thought it was 2.
3 times a year. So we hike to different sections, but it's not just a hike, it's not just a walk. We basically do like self-defense. We teach you basic self-defense. There's like fitness competitions and stuff. We split you up in like groups. It's really fun and interactive, you know. It's like things that you can do daily, right? And then after say about 2 or 3 months, definitely you can get what you want, as long as you actually continue with it. And
yeah, and you also have like a website. You can get more information, so I can like put it in the description box. And
if she didn't, it's RLSDJA.
If I didn't or if I
so
don't.
R as in Rudolph, J. R as in Rudolph, L as in Lima, D as in. The hike cost is $3,500, but if you buy a hike shirt, that is. So this is a female hike shirt.
I'm gonna get a pink one just like that by next week. Next week, I get mine. Yeah.
This is the male hike shirt. Cool.
I like the black one though, but yeah.
We have a white one for instructors, right? So
white. I will not go up in a bush and dirt and go watch that. But anyways, yeah, continue.
Basically, $3,500 for the hike cost. If you buy a shirt, which is $2,500, then you'll only pay $2,500 for the hike cost. So you get like $1,000 off the hike cost. And for every person that you carry to the hike, you basically get $500 off the hike cost.
Oh, so you're trying to say if me bring clear and bring the car, that's cheaper for me, because the more people bring, the more discount I get. So if I bring everybody now, I have to pay nothing, so I don't bring enough people to cover the money.
Basically, so if you bring 7 people, then you come free. Simple.
Oh, if you bring 7 people, me come free.
$500 off every single person that you carry. Basically, it is a weekend. From the Friday night, we meet up at Papine Square at around, we start meeting around 8 p.m.
So it'll be like the same hike we did at Clivesdale, seeing that I recorded that time I went to the river and I cook and stuff.
Somewhat similar, yeah. But this time we're going to Sincona. Sincona is 6,000 feet above sea level. It's way higher. And it's really, you know, cool. It's like a botanic garden. It's really awesome, right? So we meet at Papine Square 8 p.m. Between 8 and 10 we start meeting Friday night. So the cost basically includes transportation to and from, food for the weekend, as well as the tents that you guys will use.
So wait, for everybody, like, I know that you don't like the strangers, so one person will tent for themselves, they have to share, or the tent go. Because I know me say, if I'm not really rate them up, I don't know what I can do. Plus, I'm camping and do prank, so you have to keep your eyes open. Can you see him? See him? See him?
So basically, the tents, we have female tents, we have male tents. It's a 3-man tent.
So wait there, what if me want to bring my boyfriend? How that go?
They bring him.
So me and him can be in a tent, me and him alone?
So we split you up in teams. So there are 3 teams, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie. Now depending on what team you land on, it's basically uncertain, because if you go on a team, he goes on a team, then basically you guys will be separated.
For the weekend?
For activities and sleeping purposes. But if you want like sleep together, that's cool. It's up to you.
I'm just asking because me that want. So yeah, that seemed good so far. Guys, I would go again, but the last time I went, if you watch like some previous footage, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put a piece of the clip in the next clip right now. So just watch this and yes, that was the hike. When we need to go up there?
I don't know.
Are you in the summer?
Something.
Yeah. No, in the summer. No, when last year you could keep that? Like, I can't remember the exact date.
Years. No, it was Easter.
Oh, yeah, When is Easter? April? Yeah. Yeah, April? Yeah, so that was in April. There are some more, I have 3 vlogs here, 2 more vlogs of that day, part 1 and part 2. You can go and check it out. So
the next hike is December 14 to 16. So basically you can hit me up at 4.
I want to put the email address.
So can I give them the number?
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. Black people, yeah. 459-3100. Call me, or you can email us at Real Life Self Defense.
I can't remember. At yahoo.com.
No. It's Real Life Self Defense HR at gmail.com. It's not even more.
Don't worry.
Or you can email us at admin@investments. I don't remember that one.
Okay, I remember.
That one is new. That one is new. Alright?
But not to worry. The links are to be in the description. I also buy like an Instagram. So they're in the description box. So you can, or you can text me for further information to get to him.
Investments at rlsdja.com. If you go on the website, it's all there. rlsdja.com. Check it out. Like.
What about the like? If I don't have time for that, what is that for your social media?
Alright, so you can basically find us on Instagram at rlsdja, or you can search for rlsdhr and you'll find us. Hashtag. Now you can also find us on Facebook at rlsdhr.
Alright, so yes guys, you can go support us because Akim Wamo come so bad. You say my God bad news if me not come.
So I need to leave.
I was saying, should I bring a suitcase? Akim said no. Why should not bring a suitcase?
You carry your suitcase, you carry that suitcase. So I'm not going to basically carry anything for anybody. So if it's heavy packing, no, we don't do shit like that. Anything you carry it. Legit.
But then again, Akim have like a list. Things to bring, things you should not bring. But seeing that it's at December, everybody must know up there is cold, so sweater is really needed.
Cool. So I'm going to wash up some plates now, and I left, got the people and work, and come back home. So.
And then we have decided to.
When I from 703 right down to a long time, we got Boog with the trendsetter, we got Ravers. Big up John Squad, Shelly Belly. The whole squad, we are on the street. Big up Yui, because you have my head back lock. And we respond to integration. Every Thursday are shelling. Big up Petagaye, Life.
Like, comment, share.
Live, comment, share.
And
Subscribe. YouTube.
Yes, that was Marvin. Look up dancer friend. So, should I nice? Should I not tell them what I'm doing? You tell them that you can't tell them. Alright, right? So, she not put on some clothes. So, no. Good girl thing say, yeah, everything. You see my girl go look on a scanner or something. Could they? My girl say, I'm not see it your husband, nobody not see it, but don't see, but not tell nobody, you don't see it. But yeah, she not go buy food. Then after which, we go down. But we call it trees, so me I buy food to sheep, you know, so she not go buy food, just so like I'm me alone. Oh, she's going to buy food for us. Okay, she's buying food for us. So, yeah, back at work tomorrow, back at it again, but so I go. My day off was well spent downtown. Yesterday, I went, well, yesterday. I did for wedding. Yes, so.